Good morning, fellow gardeners. This is Paul, and today I'm going to show you 5 aloes that are in different stages of bloom right now in the yard. So this is the coral aloe, Aloe striata, and it's got some prolific blooms. All of them in the yard are blooming, and they do it just about every year. Sometimes aloes will take some time off in between bloom cycles, or blooming, I guess you could say. But not this one. It's pretty much old faithful here once it's about 7 to 10 years old. So Aloe striata. I believe they call it the coral aloe mainly because of these kind of coral colored flowers. Hummingbirds love this plant, by the way. And next to it is a hybrid called Aloe Kujo. I have several of these. You can see that it started blooming a little bit sooner, and they're more of like an orange color. Now, supposedly this was a hybrid created by someone in a botanical garden. I can't remember their name, but it is a stunning little aloe. Aloe Kujo. You can see it's a little bit more spiny, so you're gonna want to be careful of that. There we go. Very beautiful plant. Aloe Kujo. All right, let's go see what else is blooming. So this beautiful plant is Aloe Ellenbeckii. Really beautiful, soft kind of looking flowers. And this thing's a bit more cold sensitive, I would say. It's in a part sun environment, as you can see. Gets shade all morning. But these leaves are typically this beautiful color green here. In our winter, which was mild in our zone 9B, Southern California, you can see it did get kind of damaged. But it's happy enough to bloom. This thing blooms quite often. Aloe Ellenbeckii. Really stunning little flowers here. Let's get a better look at them. Okay, let me go show you some seed pods developing, which are pretty interesting. Now I'm still waiting for this Hercules Aloe to bloom, but it's taking its sweet time. Although it did split this year, which is pretty cool. This thing's a monster. Now, check this out. Here's my Aloe vaombe, or the Malagasy tree aloe. It does have a few seed pods developing after they bloom, but these are not ready. They're a little brownish green, but you want to wait longer for this. I think these are about 2 months old now. And then look at this. This is Aloe Ellenbeckii. Look at all these seed pods. Can you believe it? So super cool, and some of them are starting to really dry up. In fact, look at that. I think these are ready. Probably split open here, see? So very interesting. Definitely think that I could get the seeds out of this if I had another hand. At least I'll try. Oh, I saw one. See it? So super cool. Aloe Ellenbeckii seeds. So this is the first time this thing has ever bloomed. It took, I want to say, 6 years to do it from, I believe it was in a 5-gallon when I bought it. These things are quite expensive and hard to find. So I think I'll collect some of the seeds here and sprout them to see what happens. So very beautiful plant. You can see what the blossom looked like here. Love the color. So there you go. There are some blooms and seeds and the pods in different states. Again, you want to collect these when they start to dry up and turn a greenish brown. This took 3 months, by the way. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Take care.